Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of our product review series. Today, we have an amazing product that's sure to grab the attention of all the bike enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the Ultrafashs Bike Cleaner Kit, a comprehensive cleaning solution designed specifically for keeping your bike in pristine condition. So, let's get started with our in-depth review video. The kit includes a bottle of bike cleaner, a degreaser, a set of brushes, and a microfiber cloth. The bike cleaner is specifically formulated to tackle tough stains without damaging the bike surface, while the degreaser helps remove grease and oil from the drivetrain. The brushes and cloth are designed to reach into every nook and cranny, ensuring a true cleaning experience. One of the crucial aspects of any cleaning product is its ease of use. Thankfully, the Ultrafashs Bike Cleaner Kit is straightforward to apply. To begin, simply spray the bike cleaner onto the dirt surfaces and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use the brushes to scrub away the grime, making sure to reach all the intricate parts. Finally, rinse off the cleaner with water and dry the bike with the included microfiber cloth. The step-by-step instructions provided with the kit make the process even more user-friendly. Now, let's move on to the performance of the Ultrafashs Bike Cleaner Kit. We tested this product on various bikes, ranging from muddy mountain bikes to road bikes coated in grease. The results were impressive. The bike cleaner effectively lifted dirt and grime, restoring the bikes to their former glory. Even the degreaser worked wonders, effortlessly removing stubborn grease from the drivetrain. The brushes provided in the kit proved to be steady and efficient in reaching tight spots, ensuring a true cleaning experience. When it comes to bike cleaning products, compatibility and safety are vital concerns. Fortunately, the Ultrafashs Bike Cleaner Kit is suitable for use on all types of bikes, including carbon fiber frames and delicate components. The formula is designed to be gentle yet effective, ensuring that your bike's paintwork and finishes remain unharmed. Additionally, the kit is environmentally friendly, with the cleaning agents being biodegradable and non-toxic. Thanks for watching our review of the Ultrafashs Bike Cleaner Kit. We hope you found it helpful in your quest to find the perfect technology for your bike. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.